Hey everybody, my name is Chris Bystead. I'm here at Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. A beautiful day to show you a beautiful trailer. A lot of people are asking, boy, what can I pull if I just have a small tow vehicle and I need to pull maybe under 5,000 pounds? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you right here a wonderful choice. It's made by Coachmen. It's called the Apex. It's 189 RBS. If you take a look at this, it's got a beautiful front gel cap. It's got a nice window in it. These things are gorgeous looking. They're built very well. Aluminum frame, solar prep on the side, plenty of space on the inside to put some of your camping gear. One of the things that's really fantastic about this trailer is that they build this with Asdel composite panels, which are impervious to moisture, mildew, and mold. This is going to be insulated well, and it will really be a good trailer in inclement weather. And you know, it kind of rains here in Oregon once in a while, and so water is not our friend in the RV business, but with this trailer you'll be good to go. Come on in, let me show you. When you walk in, you're going to notice there's a bathroom in the rear. Look at all that space. We've got a nice skylight in there, some nice cabinetry, places to put things, all of that, all in the back. A nice big fridge and freezer by Dometic right by the door, which is really cool because you can open it up if you're outside and you want to get a drink. There you go, just like that, nice and easy. You take a look here in this nice kitchen. One of the things about a small trailer is oftentimes there's not a lot of counter space in the kitchen, but look at all this. Plenty of counter space to make some sandwiches and get things rolling. Nice double sink. They put in a microwave convection oven for you, and so it will also roast, which is great. You'll look, it's got an AC, so if it does get hot, you're in good shape. One of the things that they're doing quite a bit, and I think it's really neat, is oftentimes you don't necessarily need a dinette. Maybe you just want a comfortable place to sit. Here you go, you've got it. There's a table underneath the bed that comes right out so you can eat, you can watch TV, you can do whatever you need to do, but you can do it in comfort. And if you bring somebody that needs an extra place to sleep, there you go in this nice little sofa. And check this out, you got walk around bed, both sides, plug-ins on both sides. You've got storage underneath, that's where your table is. And this one comes with a storage ottoman. You could put things in there. It just folds up into a little cube. And check this out. You can set the whole thing up. So if you want to set it up here as a footrest or at the front of the bed, you can do that. These pop up, and then you have a nice little thing at the end of the bed to put your shoes on. Really fantastic trailer, guys. These are priced very well. They're very lightweight, under 5,000 pounds, easy to tow. This would be an amazing little trailer for you. I'd love to show you this one, and we've got several other floor plans of these as well. So feel free to call me. My name is Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.